If you're starting coding in 2026 and you feel completely lost, too many tools, too many tutorials, everyone's shouting different advice. AI is everywhere. React is still dominating frontend. So what exactly should you learn, and in what order? In the next 8 minutes, I'll give you a complete AI plus React roadmap that beginners can actually follow. Subscribe now, because this is part 1 of a full career-building series. Why AI plus React is the perfect combo. Companies don't hire frameworks. They hire problem solvers who ship fast. AI helps you write code faster, test bugs automatically, and even generate UI ideas. React lets you build production-grade interfaces used by real companies. When you combine these two, you become extremely valuable. This combo turns beginners into employable developers faster than anything else in 2026. Step-by-step learning order. Let me remove the confusion. Stop jumping between random technologies. Step 1. Core Web. HTML, CSS, JavaScript fundamentals. This is your foundation. Don't skip it. If you rush this, React will always feel hard. Step 2. Git plus GitHub. Version control from day 1. GitHub is proof that you actually build. Step 3. React basics. Components, props, state, hooks. This is where real apps begin. Step 4. Modern React. Routing, forms, API calls, state management. Now you're thinking like a professional. Step 5. AI tools. Copilot, ChatGPT, UI generators, test automation. Use AI as a copilot, not a crutch. Let it speed you up, not replace your thinking. Projects that make you job ready. Courses don't get interviews. Projects do. You need 3 levels. Beginner, to-do app with authentication. Intermediate, dashboard with charts and APIs. Advanced, SaaS clone with payments and 1 AI feature. If your GitHub doesn't show this, you're invisible to recruiters. The 90-day transformation plan. 3 months from now, you could still be confused or employable. Month 1, JavaScript plus React basics plus small apps. Month 2, full dashboards plus APIs plus AI tools. Month 3, portfolio polish plus freelancing plus interview prep. Even 1 focused hour per day is enough if you stay disciplined. How to stand out in 2026. Most beginners just follow tutorials silently. The top 5% build in public. They share progress. They post weekly builds. They talk about mistakes. They create shorts while learning. This is how unknown developers get noticed. If this video gave you clarity, imagine what the next one will do. In my next video, I'll show you the exact React folder structure recruiters love. Watch that next. It's on your screen. Subscribe for daily AI plus React guidance. Your journey starts today.